Friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare chicken dum biryani. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken 500 grams of chicken and 1 spoon of salt and 2 spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder, turmeric powder 1 spoon and sufficient oil and rice. I have soaked it for 1 hour. I have taken basmati rice and curd 1 cup, fried onions and half spoon of garam masala and 1 spoon of chicken biryani masala and 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste and 4 to 3 bay leaves. I have taken 4 cloves and 2 ilachis and half lemon. Now let's marinate the chicken. Take a rice bowl, add chicken, add turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, add garam masala powder. Now add coriander powder and curd. Now add lemon juice. Mix it. Mix it well. I have marinated the chicken and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, add sufficient oil. Let's start cooking. Keep in a high flame for 10 minutes. Cover it with lid. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check it. It takes some more time to cook. Leave it for 10 minutes. Let's check it. Gravy became thick. 70% of chicken is cooked. Now let's take it. Let's keep it aside. Now let's start preparing for rice. I have taken a rice bowl and added 4 glasses of water. Let it boil. I am adding bay leaves and 4 cloves, 2 ilachis. Add little bit of oil and little bit of ghee. Add sufficient salt. Add biryani masala. Let it boil. Check it whether salt is sufficient or not. Yes, it is good. Now it's time to add rice. I have added rice. Don't cook more. 70% of rice should be cooked. 20% of rice is cooked. Now take it aside. take chicken bowl. Now I am taking half chicken in the bowl. I am going to add it later. Now I am going to add rice on the up layer. Next I am adding chicken on a second layer. And next add another layer of rice. Next add fried onions on the upper layer. I am adding saffron color. Cover it. Now apply dough to the lid. I have covered it with dough. It won't allow the steam to go outside. Now switch on the stove and keep it for 10 minutes. Keep it in a low flame. Let's check it. It cooked perfectly. Now switch off the stove. Leave it for 2 minutes. Now let's take out. Chicken Dum Biryani is ready. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.